As y'all probably figured out, I did get my tripod in the mail a few days ago. I don't know why I'm talking about this first thing. Okay, wait.
Wait a minute, baby. Before you walk out that door, I got something I want to say to you. That means so much more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the terrible lighting. Let me just... That did not make it any much better, but today's video is gonna be a get to know me together with me packing to go back to Norway. I'm looking through the responses right now. We've got a few that I'm gonna answer. I did make a kind of get to know me, messy ass get to know me with Kenny when we were driving. If you haven't seen that video, go see it. It's called Driving with Kenny. Guys, I just wanted to say one thing. I saw that my last video got 1,000 views, and I'm not sure if it was because I was doing Omi TV or if the video was genuinely just interesting, but I got 1,000 views. That is an accomplishment for me. I got 23 new subscribers this month, which is also a big accomplishment to me. Even though it doesn't sound like much, it's still much to me. And I just want to thank you guys for actually watching my videos. I did see that 18% of y'all are subscribed and the rest is not. So, what are you doing? Hit that button, please. We're gonna start packing. We're gonna first take a train from here to Gdańsk, which is on the northern side of Poland, and then we're gonna sleep over there, and then we're gonna take the plane back. And then I'm moving out. Oh! I've been doing my last rounds of shopping today, and the only thing I have left is small coins. So I just wanted to show you guys what I bought. A Juicy Couture wallet. It's more like a bag because it has like this thing you can walk around with it, which is really nice. And then we have the inside with all my money slipping out. Sorry. And then I tried to put my phone in here and it actually fits, so I could use this as a small bag if I'm just going to the store. Okay guys, so I've got my stuff organized on the side and we're gonna do this. I'm gonna start by answering one of the questions on the get to know me, because why not? Okay, there's not a lot of questions, so we're gonna start with, how do you know Spanish? That was one question from one of my friends that knows Spanish. I know Spanish because I always liked languages, and I ended up learning Spanish because I thought Spanish was a nice language. And yeah, I don't know how I learned Spanish, to be honest. Like, I learned a bit at school, like in middle school, and then half a year in high school, but I just mostly have like language ear, kind of like a skill for languages. So I guess that is why I know Spanish. So that was my answer for that question, and now I'm gonna show you guys that I'm packing. Okay, guys. So, my side is filled. It weighs kind of a lot. I don't know how much that's gonna be. We're gonna answer the next question just to be interesting. So, I got a question. When you coming back to visit me? From one of my friends from Italy. I don't know. I love Italy. But I don't know when I'm gonna be able to visit, so I'm broke. I'm gonna answer a lot more questions because I kind of finished packing the bag, so I'm gonna answer like half of them. So maybe this one, how do you do your nails? So that's really differs really much. I did my nails in Poland now. I was like modeling for the nails for their Instagram page, so I got them for free. These are hybrid. I haven't done long in a while, but usually I do glued press on. Yeah. What's your dream? Like anything you wanted to be or wanted to make or some things, you know? Work-wise, my dream is probably something in like child services field, not exactly child services. And if I'm thinking like dreaming just in general, it's probably just living life to the fullest, like not dedicating my life to just working, sleeping, eating. Kind of like that. Travel, that's my dream. Yeah. Then I'm gonna start packing my backpack while I answer. I got a question. Why did you kill Donald Trump? I try. I did not do that. Tell us what do you think of Italy. If you don't like Italy, you're terrone merda. What I think of Italy. I love Italy. I was there and I wanted to stay. I started crying when I had to leave because it was like a school trip. And I actually started crying when I had to leave because I really liked it there. Like, Norway just is not cutting it. Italy was so much better. Even though I hated like the school system and the way girls had to dress up fully and guys didn't really have to. That was something I really didn't like about Italy. But the rest, like the weather, like climate in general, the culture, really similar to Polish culture. I really liked it. It was really nice. So I wish I could go back, to be honest. I don't know where I put my phone. Are you fucking kidding me? Hey Siri. Okay. You should do OnlyFans. What about no?
What about no?
That's no. I mean, I don't hate on people that do OnlyFans, but I'm just not the type of person who would start doing OnlyFans. Yeah. How long have you been going to the gym? That is good question. I've been going to the gym since I think 2021 was when I started going to the gym. That was like my first in April. I got help from a friend to start going to the gym. So I got a workout program from him. Shout out to my friend that did that for me. I'm really happy about that. Other than that, I started going to the gym back then really inconsistently. There's been times where I was really sick, lazy, whatever. But I mean, I've been going to the gym on days where people wouldn't, like Christmas, the National Day of Norway. I went to the gym on my birthday. Yeah, I don't know. It's really off and on. So yeah, my back is back. My backpack is half full already. But most of my things are packed down actually, so I'm not really worried about that. Let's see the next question. I got some weird questions here. Some people are weird. Guys, be careful. Girls especially. Please be careful. I got some weird ass comments. How old are you? I am 18, born 2006. The 18th of January. I'm a January kid. Fun fact, I was actually supposed to be born like late December because the doctors told my mom that she was actually supposed to have me early, but then she got me late. So, isn't that nice? We got a Hello Kitty belt, guys. I don't know if I've shown this in any of my videos, but I really like this belt. I bought it from Bershka for like $2? No, $4. Yeah. Phone stand from Ireland is going into the bag. That one will not going with us. Okay. Now the only thing I've got left is some bikinis. And two more questions, I think. What do you do in your free time? Well, let's see, guys. 4 years ago, I would answer karate, boxing, maybe singing classes, maybe guitar. But now I don't do any of them. I'm really sad I quit martial arts most of all boxing, because that was like my favorite sport ever. It was like my passion, but it was too far away to drive. It was like 1 hour to drive there and then 1 hour back, and then the practice was 1.5 hours. So like, how would my mom, she wouldn't be sitting there twice a week for 1.5 hours waiting for me. So no, I had to quit that. What else can I tell you guys? I do have one more question. Sorry. Your next tattoos. So, as most of y'all know, if you haven't seen me before, you probably don't know, but I have like 9 tattoos, and I'm 18, and many people have their own opinions about that, which I don't give a shit about. People can have their own opinions. But I think my next tattoo is gonna be a small star. I've considered to switch this one into a star and have like 3 stars here and 3 stars here, or 1 at each side. Or I've also considered getting a star on my ankle, because that's kind of cute and minimalistic, and I don't have any work on my lower body except for my hip, but that would count as upper body, nearly. Yeah, I think I've also considered some other tattoos that would be kind of bigger, because I don't have any like particularly big except for my spine tattoo. But I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna do that later in life, because I've got time. You know, I'm not rushed. I'm not gonna die tomorrow, most likely. I'm actually struggling a bit here because my bag is starting to like fill, and there's still some shit missing. For example, the fact that I just realized that I have a whole bag. I don't know if my camera's gonna fit in here. I think my camera's gonna fit. Okay, that's fine. Okay, guys, this video has been really short, but it is what it is. I did not know what I was gonna film this week, if I'm gonna be honest with you, because this week is sort of just like us buying stuff and going back to Norway, and then my next videos in the future are gonna be much more interesting, because I'm gonna be moving out, I'm gonna film and take you guys with me, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and got to know me with those few questions. Yeah. See you guys next Friday. Peace out.